Hey guys, it's Mrs. Ervin. I wanted to talk you through what we're going to do over the next couple weeks, just so you have a better understanding, and in case anybody's absent on day one, I don't have to keep explaining and explaining and explaining. All right, so last week we did practice slides with apartheid and hopefully learned some new stuff. I read through your questions. You guys had awesome questions you would ask any of the characters. I was really impressed with what you were thinking. And so I'm hoping that you're going to have big thoughts again with this unit coming up with the topic you've been assigned to. So you are kind of familiar with your groups because I threw you in them on Friday. And we are going to be keeping those groups for the next 2 weeks. So you better start participating, those of you who aren't talking. Um, no, seriously, it is a grade. I will help you through it, I promise. If you're worried about it, reach out to me, message me, or email me, and we can talk, okay? Okay. So here's the deal. You're all going to get a slideshow that looks like this today. And when you open it up, I just kind of want to talk you through it really quickly. So I opened civil rights. All right, so same thing as before. It's opening up with the rubric on the writing. Okay, remember, we all want threes because you can all get threes because you're all wicked smart. At the end of the slideshow, I stuck in the speaking rubrics as well. Again, threes. We're going for threes, right? Okay. Um, when I go back up to the top, sorry. Okay, so you all have the rubrics built into your slideshows is basically what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, so what we'll do on the first day is we will do the before reading and discussing. Same questions you saw with apartheid, except this will be about your topic. So you're going to type right on this. Regarding this topic deep dive I'm most excited about, I chose this topic because, and I am wondering blank. So you're going to do this individually first. You are also going to do this one individually first. This is slide 4. You get a quote and you have to discuss. Do you agree or disagree? Explain your answer in several detailed sentences. Okay? Oh, by the way, if you need to add slides, you know I'm cool with that. Like if you need more room to write, more room to talk, like add away. You know how to do that. Just press the plus button and it'll put a slide in, new slide. Okay? I'm super cool with that. I love that you want to write. Okay, so that's what we'll do. Before reading and discussing, you'll do that first, these 2 slides, and then you'll be in your groups and discuss what your answers were. Share your answers, and remember that piggybacking, the positive reinforcement, what we talked about Friday. Oh, that was a really good answer. Or, oh, I didn't think of that before. Like let's give some positive reinforcement, okay? All right, awesome. So then you're going to you saw this with apartheid, you saw the deep dive. So then you will spend several days deep diving. It could be like with this first deep dive day 1 that the article you're going to read, you're going to want to read it a couple of times. So that may be all you do that day and kind of do your own responses, but no discussion yet. You may need to read this article a couple times as you're discussing as well. You may want to go back into it. Okay. So that is deep dive 1, deep dive day 1, discuss. Then there's another deep dive, another article, more information, more questions, and then discuss. Then there's a deep dive 3, more discussion, more questions. Finally, so this is going to take us many days. It says day 1, day 2, day 3. We may be stretching it into multiple days. Finally, and this will definitely take you a couple days, you have some videos to watch. Okay? You'll watch them together as a group or on your own, it doesn't matter, and then come back and discuss. You will have a reflection. What I learned, what I'm wondering. So then you'll fill out your reflection. Slide 10 is additional resources for this topic. You all have this. These are amazing, rich articles to enhance your learning. If you need more information, if you have extra time, I'll send you into the articles, okay? I'm just trying to get as much as we can with this. All right, so we are, I went over the grading. Your writing is going to be doubled, so it's 36, and then your speaking, I'm not sure if I'm doubling that or not, so that could be 36 points as well. So this is a lot of points for this one project. If you have concerns, talk to me. Also, you need headphones if you're in the building. So if you have headphones, start bringing them for the next couple weeks. You should have them in your backpack anyway, but I get when you're moving back and forth between school and home. If you're coming in the building, make sure you bring them, okay? All right, I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to see what you do with this. Even just based on the conversations we had during that brief sample with apartheid and the questions you wrote for Trevor Noah and Trevor Noah's dad and Trevor Noah's mom and all the other characters that were briefly mentioned in the book. I'm really excited to see where you go with this. All right. Thanks for your patience, guys.